Now we'll derive the potential energy of system of charges. Potential energy means what? You are taking charge from infinity to in some region, and whatever the work you done, that is stored as a potential energy in that charge. So to make the system of charges, you are taking charge from infinity to any point here, but here no electric field is present. So you are taking first q1 charge here. You are taking q1 charge from infinity to this point, but there is no electric field, so no work required to move this charge from infinity to this point. So work done in moving q1 charge from infinity is 0. Now you are moving second charge from infinity to this point q2, right? So we will calculate the work done. Work done in bringing q2 charge. Work done in bringing q2 charge is equal to what? So work done in bringing q2 charge is equal to charge into potential at that point, because now q1 charge is present here, so this will generate the electric field surrounding. So you are moving q2 charge in the electric field of q1 charge, so you have to do work. So work is required to move this q2 charge, so that is equal to charge q2 and the potential at this point. The potential at this point is generated by this q1 charge, so that is equal to k q1 divided by distance between these two, that is equal to r12, suppose. So that is equal to r12. So work done in bringing q2 charge is equal to what? K q1 q2 divided by r12. So the total work done to bring both charge is equal to summation of both this. So this is equal to 0, and work done in bringing q2 charge is k q1 q2 divided by r12. So that is equal to k q1 q2 by r12. This work gets stored as a potential energy of this system of two charges. So the potential energy of system of two charges is equal to k q1 q2 divided by distance between them. So in general form, we can write the potential energy of system of two charges is k q1 q2 divided by r is the distance between them, right? So q1 q2 is the magnitude of two charges and r is the distance between them. Now suppose we are moving third charge also at this point, then what happens? So work done in bringing q3, is equal to what? Charge q3 and potential at that point. The potential at this point is generated by q1 charge and q2 charge. So potential at this point is equal to potential due to q1 charge and potential due to q2 charge. So potential due to q1 charge is equal to what? K q1 by distance between charge and this point, that is equal to r13. And potential due to q2 charge is k q2 divided by distance between this point and q2 charge is r23. So k q2 by r23. So this is equal to k q1 q3 divided by r13, and this is equal to k q2 q3 divided by r23. So the total work done is equal to summation of all this. So work done in bringing q1 is 0, work done in bringing q2 is k q1 q2 divided by r12, and work done in bringing q3 is k q1 q3 by r13 and k q2 q3 by r23. So this work gets stored as potential energy of system. So potential energy of system of 3 charges is equal to what? K Q1 Q2 divided by R12 and K Q1 Q3 divided by R13 and K Q2 Q3 divided by R23. So you just notice that this is the formula of potential energy of charge 1 and 2. This is the formula of potential energy of charge of system 1 and 3, and this is the potential energy of charge of system. Potential energy of system of charges 2 and 3. So you can write this formula in this manner also, and the formula for potential energy of 2 charges is this one. So in short, to find the potential energy of system of charges, you must know this easy method. Suppose there are 4 charges are there, Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Then to find the total energy, you have to make pairs of charges. So make pair of first charge with 2, with 3 and with 4. Now make pair of second charge. Pair of second with 1 is already done. So make with 3 and make with 4. Now make pair of third charge. So pair of third is with 1 and 2 is done. So make it with 4. And make pair of fourth charge. The fourth already pairs are done. 4 with 3, 4 with 2 and 4 with 1. So this is the total energy of system of 4 charges. And for U12, you have to use this formula, K Q1 Q2 by R12, distance between 1 and 2. For U34, you have to write K Q3 Q4 divided by distance between 3 and 4, R34. So this is the method to easily write the potential energy of system of charges, right?